Welcome to our open house. I'm Michelle. This is my house and we're doing the Dulwich Festival Artist Open House, which takes place every year. This is Snowden Flood from Snowden Flood Design, and this is Mandie Beuzeval from Beuzeval Furniture. Both really lovely ladies. They normally show with me every year, and of course because of COVID-19 we're under lockdown, so they've given me their work and hopefully you'll enjoy the tour. Okay, follow me. So that's one of my limited edition archival prints. That one's called Hoop and was later made into a hand printed and painted wall hanging, which was different to that. The colours were different. And up here we have one of my larger wall hangings, hand printed and painted with dyes and pigments. So that's actually in 3 sections of different fabrics joined together. That's about 2 meters high. Some of my works go up to about 3 meters. I work quite large and to commission. Here we have another hand printed piece. This is wool, flannel and cotton. And you can just see where the join is here. That's dyes and pigments. And then we go into the yellow room. In here we've got Snowden's work and my work. So these are a series of prints that I've done. I started to do them because I wanted to make some of my work more accessible. I know not everyone can buy a wall hanging, and actually I really enjoy doing these. After I studied at Goldsmiths for my textile degree, I then did a fine art digital art course, and ended up really liking the way you could work, another way of drawing. I also did animation, which was really good fun. One of my best years, I think. So some detail there of Cherry Sunday. And next to that we've got this piece by Snowden, which I think looks really good in this room. Her work really suits the style. This is like 1930s house, lots of original features. I know that's just the period of design that Snowden really likes. This is called Them and Us, one of Snowden's imaginary landscapes. Met Snowden a few years ago. We're both members of Design Nation, which is a really lovely group for designers that support them and show their work. And yeah, Snowden and I have become friends through that. These lampshades are some of her designs. She's got a whole range of fabrics, really good designs. So these are made to order. She can do obviously all the different sizes and choose your fabric. She's also doing lampshade making kits now that you can order from her website. They're quite popular. So choose your fabric and then she'll send it to you. This is another one of her prints. It's called Where I'd Like to Be Right Now. So another one of her imaginary landscapes, I think based on places that she really liked. And after her sort of desire to leave London, probably even more now after lockdown, everyone wants to go out and explore, get a bit of freedom. And the diving print works really nicely with that picture of the lake. And over the other side, we've got some more of Snowden's prints, the St Paul's prints. Snowden works with a lot of museums. She designs to commission for collections, galleries. She also works with interior designers and architects. It's quite a varied career. Trained as a fine artist and did sculpture. I love the backs of these as well. So you get 2 designs. Linen. And up above we've got one of her limited edition prints. That's called Metrolandia. I think it came about after her sort of journeys into her studio in Croydon and looking at all the architecture, sort of suburbs, the fake beams, 30s houses, really, really nice print. And then we go into the hall, where we've got two of Snowden's newest pieces, these two collages, these ladies. Quite a lot of detail in there. And this piece is another limited edition print. They're pigment inks and it's archival paper, so they last quite a long time. A cotton rag. And in this room, it's really good lighting here at the moment. This is the newest series of my prints called the Traces series. So there's quite a lot of drawing in those. They're designed digitally, but they're what you call original digital artworks. So I've used photographs and images of my drawings, which are on tracing paper. So they're a byproduct of how I work with my textiles. I had piles of tracing paper with drawn lines on and stencils. I thought it'd be nice to use them in some of this work. These are all A1, these pieces. Archival again. And there's going to be a fourth one, so there'll be a series of 4. Colour is a big thing with me. I really like colour. And just working with it gives me a bit of a buzz. There's photographs. I use a lot of layers. I obviously draw in my sketchbook when I'm designing textile pieces, and then I quite often design digitally as well, which is really handy when you're doing a commission because you can show exactly what a piece is going to look like to the commissioner. This piece is called Tangerine Dream. It came about after waking up one morning and seeing the sun streaming in through the window, and I just jumped out of bed and took a picture and thought, oh, okay, that's going to be useful sometime. I'm going to use that piece in an artwork. And down here we have some of Mandie's lovely pieces. She makes all sorts of furniture and works to commission with all sorts of clients. This is one of her 350 pieces. This beautiful table made of ash. You can see underneath there it's lovely the way it's made. Really soft. Just have to imagine, but that's so smooth, really nice. So that one is £250 and she's now got an online shop, so that's available from there. This one, the round one, is from London Plain, which I think is called Lacewood. This design, it's so lovely. It's really nice detail here. Of course, with wood, everything's going to be unique, isn't it? Each piece is always going to be different from the next. I think Mandie's done all sorts of commissions. She's done a day bed. She's created outdoor pieces, standing, sort of folding shelves, and she's someone that can really turn her hand to anything. She gives it everything a go, incredibly hard working. This piece is called 6 Degrees Stool. This is made from cherry and walnut, which I think is my favourite of the woods that she uses. I just really like the colour combination. And I really like this bit here as well. And that angle I think is really elegant. So, furniture for life, this is a good, investment. Here we have two of my textile pieces, hand printed, one-off pieces made with linen, cotton, and on the right hand one that's got some wool in it which I stitched on. You can see there. And the imagery comes from a project I did to do with the Young Vic Theatre with an architect firm. This piece was featured on the open house booklet one year at Dulwich Festival, and it's also on the front of the cocktail menu at the Marbone Hotel. Not tried their cocktails yet, but I've had a cream tea which was really nice. And over here we have, this is called Plan Pink, and last year I was in London Craft Week with Design Nation at Oxo Tower Barge House, and that was one of 3 pieces that I did for that exhibition, and the exhibition was called The Future of Craft. The other 2 pieces is Plan Yellow and Overlap, and they're in lockdown at the moment at Contemporary Applied Arts, a gallery that I've been with for many years, really nice gallery. Loads of excellent members, they have some really great stuff there, and they've got an online shop as well, so do have a look. And down underneath we've got some of Mandie's serving boards. This one is lacewood. Again, you've got that amazing pattern detail. It must be really exciting just working with this wood, because you never know what you're going to get really. So that one, I think she makes them bespoke, so you can have cherry or walnut or different woods, obviously different sizes. This one's ash. Really like this zigzag pattern, I think it's really good. So good for serving cheeses or whatever really, bread. And these new oak ones, these round ones, really lovely. I really like her stamp. So those are £30 each, or 4 for £100. And over here we have, this is Utility, Mandie's ingenious design, space-saving stand for display and serving. So on here, I think the idea was, came from a friend of hers who's Japanese and is quite specific about how food is displayed. And so she designed this, came up with this ingenious idea of the recesses here that the legs fold in like that. She was using up pieces of dowel from another project, so that's really good. She's very resourceful. And again, you've got this really beautiful wood, lacewood, and we've got an oak one here. And I know she can do walnut and cherry and oak, ash, and she's really willing to try things out and works with clients very closely. So it's good for commissions, Mandie. Got some tea towels here. So these are hand printed in my studio, which I can't get to at the moment. So this is the end design. And we have this one, triangle one. 100% cotton, water-based pigments. And I've got hanging loops as well. And then I've got my cards. I've decided to do cards just so it's quite nice for people to have smaller versions of my prints. I'd like to thank these 2 ladies, Snowden Flood and Mandie Beuzeval. Always really good to show with them, so it's a shame I haven't seen them this year. We've sort of been collaborating from a distance, and we miss the visitors because it's That's what makes it special, really, the open house. Everyone coming round and chatting, meeting new people. And we've got Mandie, who I've known since I was 16. We did our A-level art together and our foundation. Mandie went off to Cardiff. I came to London to Goldsmiths. And then, she did fine art originally. And now makes beautiful furniture. So I'd like to say thank you to Dulwich Festival and the Artist Open House for carrying on with the spirit of the festival and promoting artists and all the events that have been going on, because I know that artists really appreciate it. And to Design Nation, who Snowden and I are members of, and they've been very supportive. And there's been lots going on online, actually, lots of free sort of training, which I've been taking advantage of. It's just really good to be able to get involved. So I hope I can see you next year. Please do send us a message or email or look at our website if you're interested in anything, and we'll be happy to help you. So until next year, bye, stay safe.